All right, y'all. Today we got this old school Mercedes, two-door wide body. About to swap these wheels onto it. It's been a couple years though since I've been messing around in the garage playing with these Hot Wheels. So I'm just gonna say this wasn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be today. All right, here it is with the stock wheels, fresh cracked. You've seen it. Really nice car. Took me a while to track it down, but I'm glad I found it. This is my tool, the little Dremel tool. Not a real Dremel, but you can use whatever you can get your hands on. You need that little bit to pop these rivets. Take the body apart. Let me just get this out the way. Take it apart and we'll go from there. Real quick though, I'm conflicted, man. These carded cars on the wall, they look good. But the clear display cases, those look better, man. Should I get some of those and take all these cars out their packages? Yeah, my collection's really small, but I'm still working. It's all right. All right, now we got the rivets popped. Just gotta get this thing apart. Take the body off the chassis. Pull the wheels off. The stock phony baloney wheels. All right, now that we got it all apart, we gotta get the axles in there, the new axles, and get them measured properly, cut to fit, put the wheels on there. This part's real tedious. The axle is a hollow tube. Then you gotta fit a little pin through the wheel, and the pin goes into the tube, the axle. And getting it measured properly, having the proper tools to cut cut these axles down. I ain't got them, so it was harder for me. That means I gotta go down to the hobby store and see what I can find to cut these axles up. Aside from that, though, it's coming along. Alright, I got 3 wheels mounted on there so far. This 4th wheel, it gave me a hard ass time though, man. Like really, really hard. But I got it done, look. Little fine tuning, trim here, trim there, then the car goes back together. So if you made it this far, I thank you. I appreciate you. Do me a favor, hit the like button. Subscribe also, man, if you can. Brand new channel. I'm new to this. I'm trying to get it going, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Peace.